How to add text to a picture on Android. Here's a simple step to add text to your picture on Android. Let's get started. First, open the Gallery app and select the photo you want to edit. Next, tap the Edit icon at the bottom of the screen. Now swipe and then select Text icon. Type the text you want to add to your photo, then tap Done. You can customize the text by changing its color, font style, and size. You can also drag the text to any position on the photo and rotate it if needed. Once you're happy with the result, tap Save in the top right corner. Or if you want to keep the original photo unchanged, then tap the three-dot menu and choose Save as Copy instead. Your copy picture will be saved on your gallery alongside your original picture. That's it. You've successfully added text to your picture on your Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.